My two brothers, they don't have visas at the moment, so it's only my sister who can come. And she's coming right before the birthday of President Duterte, and she'll stay on until her birthday because her birthday is in the first weeks of May. And yes.
Your daily visitation has been approved already?
Because my sister is coming, we made a schedule of taking turns in talking to him. So I gave more of the time to my sister since she's living with him back in the Philippines. So they have more of that family connection. I always discuss with him the things that I am doing with the lawyers.
And then are there plans for a similar gathering on his birthday?
Well, I do not know because this one was